Congratulations on purchasing your new display. You're going to love how easy it is to set up. The first thing you're going to do is empty the case. The rolling case has 4 green latches that you must unlock. Once open, unload the contents. Next, you'll want to empty the drawstring nylon bags that hold the frame and stabilizer feet, and the plastic bag that holds the graphic. Remove the ties around the tubes. Now roll the case out of the way. Now you're going to assemble the aluminum tubes. This is a 2-person job, so work together to complete construction of the tubes. You can see how you'll need to depress the push pin in order to attach the tubes. Push one part into the other until the pin locks into place. You'll see some of the tubes have a bungee cord inside to keep them together. Do this until all the tubes are assembled. It's time to build the frame. We'll work from the top down. First, attach the U-shaped corner tubes to the top of the frame. You'll see there are numbered stickers to help you know which parts go together. Lay out the structure of the frame so you know where the tubes need to go. The tubes that run vertically down the middle of the frame are called stabilizer tubes. Once you attach one of the bottom tubes to the side tube, you can attach the stabilizer tubes to the bottom. Now attach the other bottom tube to the other side tube and continue to attach all other tube connections. It's time now to attach the stretch fabric graphic. Find the zipper and unzip the graphic, if not already unzipped. Starting at the top, slide the pillowcase style graphic over the sides of the frame. With your partner at the other end, pull the fabric down, working both sides of the frame, trying to keep the fabric even. Once at the bottom, attach the zipper and zip closed. As shown here,